In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print business snapshot reports in Xero. If you want a clean, shareable snapshot of your company's performance, Xero's Business Snapshot makes it easy to print or save a concise report. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently capture and share your analytics. First, sign in to your Xero account as you normally would. If your login has access to multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. You'll need permissions to view reports, so if something doesn't appear as expected, check with your account administrator. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and click Reporting. This takes you to Xero's Reporting Hub, where you can access everything from standard financials to performance insights. From here, open Business Snapshot. This is Xero's visual analytics dashboard that summarizes key performance indicators such as revenue, profit, cash balance, cash in and out, margins, and trends over time. Take a moment to review what's displayed. You'll typically see charts, comparisons to previous periods, and breakdowns by customers or expenses. If you see date or comparison filters, make sure the period shown matches what you want to present. A quick scan now helps ensure the printout reflects the story you intend to tell. Next, locate the Print button on the Business Snapshot page. It's usually positioned toward the top right of the screen. If you don't see it immediately, try widening your browser window or scrolling up. Also ensure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, as the print preview may open in a new dialog. Click Print. Your browser's print preview will open and render the business snapshot exactly as it will appear on paper or in a PDF. This is where you fine-tune the output. Review the print preview settings. Consider switching to landscape orientation if charts look cramped, and check that scaling keeps everything legible without cutting off edges. Choose color printing for clarity, since many charts use color to differentiate data. If your browser offers an option to include background graphics, enabling it often preserves chart styling for a more polished result. Now select your destination. If you're printing a hard copy, pick your printer. If you want a digital copy, choose the Save option, usually labeled Save as PDF or a similar destination. Confirm the file name and location so it's easy to find later. Finally, print or download the Business Snapshot report. That's it. Your analytics are now ready to save, share, or attach to presentations and emails. This simple workflow gives you a professional summary of financial performance you can distribute with confidence.